from heaven's soul, guiding light, the best help is needed, instilling peace, love, oneness, care, more than equals, in life's different courageous warrior, leading the way, protecting from dangers, not so strong, and showing safety where they belong. Closest in the dance of days, living, breathing, in love me, a constant presence, enjoying or striving, sharing moments, the essence of life, sources of encouragement in adversity, words of comfort, lifting the head, betrayal and distrust, unknown to their faith, madness in their embodiment, laughs and grace, role models and idols, in their footsteps with truth, bravery, friendship, heroes in our sea, choosing man as idols, empath divine, a tribute to their strength and eternal. On this market day, a heartfelt cheer for every mother, far and near, struggling and struggling. King's delight, you are the greatest gift, a radiant light. Memorial wishes with love we convey for the mothers who shaped us day by day. Their love are endless, timeless. For you, mothers, we love you more. Thank you.